Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisim citayo hak sisa jan Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan punjait kirukom hikai hak liang ke tem kaput bat karwai ke siau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibat news nem senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam ta larang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school Banang penjan Shuh bat kipajba kibujupadan kami ya kali kibapenmi naga company Ashok Leyland kibadan setanya Riwar ka company DRB bat ka Ashok Leyland mentang kesingi kelap lipajba ya gawe ke Jaka Shna bat ditiar kali kibadai jong ketiga company kene ke jengbo ya ketiga service center ketiga thany ka deru kum bynta jong jing rakhe jong company ya ke jingya lenti ke bah nyup san snem jong jing ai jing sekri sya kipajba lengba kali kibapenmi da kene ke company Haka jingpli pajba ya ketika Ashok Leyland Motor Service Hapynursla kebalatip kumga Service Center Ashok Leyland Limited DRB kebalalong try daw ba kijer jaktung lapli pajba haka jing dalang jong Managing Director ka DRB Usri Rishi Agarwal nangta u Meridul Pegu ubadi Regional Manager ka Ashok Leyland uba Paul Lingdo ubadi Director jong ka DRB Witchel Motor Shillong lembat kiwai Laban Nong bagajing plia ketika Service Center DRB Ashok Leyland Hapynursla kan long gajing mentoi ke bakrau ya ki pajba ki perangkam ya ki kali ki penmi da kene ke company namar kim Donkam Shuh banwan cedu Nong ba Shillong na ke benta ki jing Donkam jong ke kali jongki namar ha kene ke Jaka labu omtang ban Shna Henry labu ru ya ki spare parts lani ki tiar gitar ban bujli nalor ke jing Shna ha ketika jing penyiar tenat jong ke company DRB Ashok Leyland dak babu ya ketika service center lepelong ya jingilang ha kene kesengi ha kebaga company kala ai shabiru ya ki customer nong tit kali bat ke jing pun ku burom ya ki nong tit kali ki bathit bat penunkam ya ke kali ke papenmi na kene ke company
of opening this service setup as middle service already told there was some gap which we recognized in the service which from this opening of this workshop I am sure that gap will be fulfilled and with the products which is the best in the industry. In BS6 in the recent times, as Middle Service told, we have gained the market share and one of the major reasons for gaining the market share is the product, the quality of the product, the performance, the stability, the strength of the product and the cost which it saves in terms of diesel and AdBlue. It is significant. So, running a Ashok Leyland product, average around 10% is the saving as compared to any other vehicle, which we have many testimonials from our customers. So, you can keep the trust on us, keep the trust on the brand Ashok Leyland, and I am sure together we will win in this market. Thank you once again for coming here.
In your business, product is one of the critical part of your business. So if you see all these blue colored vehicles which we sold in BS4 regime, they all look kind of new now also and you have maintained it very well and we have been supported by the customers here very well so far. But now there was a gap which we saw and this gap was of the service and parts availability which now we have fulfilled. So if you see there are now talking about the improvements made in this product. So there have been numerous improvements which Ashok Leyland has done in this product and after BS6. So if you see the front fascia is all metallic now. If you compare it with the blue colored cabin, there were fibers used in that product, in that fascia. But here, because of this metallic fascia, the maintenance cost reduces if the product meets with an accident suppose. So repair becomes much easier and also the insurance becomes easier. You can get the whole cabin under insurance. There will be no parts which is not covered in insurance. And in fascia if you see the headlamps has been changed. We have given the round headlamps now. And in the previous cabin, if you see, there were rectangular headlamps. So what is the improvement in this? The round headlamps, we have increased the lumen. We say it is the luminous value of the bulbs. So it will give you better night visibility. And if you get better night visibility, the driver gets more confidence while driving, and it reduces the accident probability also. So thereby it increases the safety of the product. And then coming to the engine part, which is the heart of any vehicle. The engine, it is 150 horsepower engine, and this engine is very unique in this segment if you compare it with other products available in the market. It will give you the lowest fuel consumption and also AdBlue. As you know, in BS6 all the products are having this urea system, which is called AdBlue. So you'll get 50% reduction in this urea consumption in Ashok Leyland, all our Ashok Leyland products. It is even better than the BS4 product. You will get 10% better mileage in this product. And now coming to the other aggregates, which is gearbox. It is a ZF gearbox. It is very reliable gearbox. ZF has a name in the Indian market. And our rear axle, it is a Dana axle, so which is very reliable. And also there is a main difference between our product and our competitor products in this market is the GVW.
This tipper product is very crucial for this market, and hopefully we are with this service support from Mr. Baje, so we'll be able to support you day and night every time. As Mr. Midul sir said, at 1800266340. This is our service support number. You can call in that number, and Mr. Bajer is always here, so he will be supporting you. You may be know you may be know Mr. Bajer, and we are also having a parts retail support in Hapynursla itself. So we are strengthening our parts supply and service support by this team, and we'll be looking after and we'll be looking forward for best support from Ashok Leyland side and from DRB team. Thank you.
GVW products in this market in 5 cubic meter box body. Whereas the other products which are available, they are of 9-ton platform. The GVW, our product is 2 tons higher. So it is very common to understand that. It is very easy to understand a 2-ton higher GVW product will give you much more higher reliability when you operate it. As we can see that you have increased the body, just doubled it. From 5 cbm you are making it 10 cbm. So you would require a stronger body. Entire system has to be strong, right from the engine, gearbox, clutch, propeller shaft and rear axle. So this will give you a much more greater reliability when you operate it. You will get lesser failures, and thereby your uptime will be higher. Your vehicle will not be idle due to the breakdowns. And also now we have make sure that you get the right parts and service at your point of operation.
Ashok Leyland vehicles in Shillong as well as in Hapynursla, and they've been in the market for about 13 years. About 4 years ago we came into partnership with them, and we've opened and taken part in the servicing of Ashok Leyland vehicles. We've got a workshop in Minkre, and now we are happy to announce that we've opened this new facility here at Hapynursla at Bajer's garage. We hope that by opening this workshop we'll be able to cater to the requirements of customers here, and I hope that our numbers in sales also will increase. This time we also are pleased to announce that our regional head, Mr. Mridul, is with us. The MD of DR Bridgemont is with us, and senior officials from Ashok Leyland, from DRB, our customers and our service people are all here. We hope that you will support us in this new venture, and we hope that we will also cater to your requirements. Thank you.